welcome back to my channel once again. XO Sheba here, and if you're new, hello and welcome to the XO Squad. Today's video is about this unit from Friday Night Hair. This is GLS 01, and I'm gonna get into the details about this braided wig. This is my first time trying a braided wig, guys, so we're gonna get into it now.
This the way that we rock. I'm from the bottom, so I aim for the top. And you crazy in the mind if you think I'ma stop. And I'm young, black, and living, still dreaming a lot.
So first things first, I'm sick, guys, so if I sound a little nasally more than usual, then it's because I'm sick and I'm getting over this cold. You know, the show must go on, so I'm still gotta record even though I like to be in the bed right now. Anyways, so this is my first time trying a braided wig, guys. I've never had one before. I always wanted to try one because it's so much easier than having to get your hair done in individuals or anything like that. So here's what I'm thinking. You know, this is synthetic. This is from Friday Night Hair GLS 01. I will link it down below in the description box if y'all want to get it. Of course, you already know. Covering the details and the basics, it is more of a snug cap. I think you can get it on with a bigger head size, but you know, if you've worn a Friday Night Hair unit, you know what it is. It's definitely more on the medium, small head friendly size, but I think you can still work with it if you have a bigger head. It has 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, and it does have adjustable straps. And yeah, I am wearing this in the color 1B. So yeah, guys, I think this is a cute unit. It's, you know, different. Braided wigs are always different. Popping up on the side a little bit. I think it's different. You know, braided wigs are always different. However, with this one, I wish it had came with some baby hair. I had to go through and make my own baby hair out of this. So I'm like yanking hair out the braids, and I gotta like use my razor to pull them out and not mess up the braids in the front. So I wish they would have thought ahead and gave us, you know, just a little bit of baby hair for us to work with, because you don't want that straight across hairline. Even with the braids, it looks more wiggish that way. So that was a con there. It was very difficult to, well, I shouldn't say very difficult, but more difficult than it needed to be to make some baby hair. The other thing too is it's still Friday Night Hair, so you don't have a whole lot of parting space going on with the front. Like, I wanted to do a half up, half down with this, you know, like a bun at the top, but I couldn't do that because, one, here's the back. Like, if you move braids around, it's fine if you got the braids covering it, but like if I lift it up, you know, it's you know, it just looks weird if I lift it up. So I didn't want to do all of that, but you know, it's good if you just part it to the side, kind of, but not too far to the side, because then you're going to expose your tracks. But yeah, you know, it's got the Friday night type of frontal going on, so you only got like this much parting space in the front. I did go through and add concealer kind of in between the braids to give me a little more scalp, because it was just black beforehand, because you know, that's just how it looked. Like I said, when you wear, you know, the braids pulled back the right way, it does look good. I hope I'm showing it correctly, because when I had it on my mannequin head, it still looked good on the mannequin head with the back turned and everything. Just don't pull too much hair to the front or up, or it will expose you. Other than that though, guys, I really like this unit. When I tried it, I just wanted to try something new. I did not think it was going to go this well. I thought it was going to be one I was like, well, I'll try it, guys. But I actually like this unit. I hope I like it as much when I look back on it on camera, because that can happen sometimes. Sometimes you think you like it in the viewfinder, but then you look at it on your editing and you're like, delete that because I don't like it now. It tangles just a little bit at the ends, and then like you just get a couple of strands of shedding. I lost it, it's gone. But it's a couple of strands of shedding, but nothing too major. I think this is super cute, giving me all the Moesha vibes. That used to be my show, you guys. That was my show, okay. Mo to the E to the. My best friend's always on my mind. Wanna be Giacomo. I'm enough. Anyways, guys, I think this is a cute look. Great way to get out of having to sit in the chair for hours to get braids in. You can just pop a wig on in 15 minutes and go. If you'd like to pick it up, I will link it down below in the description box for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Y'all know I appreciate you so much, because you ain't got to spend your time watching me, but you're doing it anyway, so I appreciate you. If you'd like to pick this up, I think I said that, you can link it down below in the description box. You already know it's in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure your notifications are turned on. You won't miss no uploads from your fave. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.